Yo, what's up? Welcome back to daily vlogs, hopefully. Today is Monday, the 23rd of September, and I've just got down to the Welsh Sleeps warehouse here, and I'm going to pack all of our gear, and we're going to fly to Australia today. We've got a few shows over in Australia, like 6-7 shows, something, and then off to Jakarta in Indonesia for a show, and then end on 3 shows in Japan. And then, just to make it even more awkward, the band will fly home, and I'm going to fly straight to join another tour with a guy called Woo-Sung, who sings for the band The Rose, which I do. So I'm off to production manager that tour straight after. So I'm going to go Japan to South Korea, to Thailand, to Macau, back to Australia, and then up to London. And then to rejoin Welsh Sleeps to go into Europe. So this should be a long series of show vlogs. Let's see if I can get them done. I'm just at the warehouse now. I'm just going to go pack up some of our fly gear. So I thought I'd show you that in this one. So yeah, let's go to Australia. Okay, so here is everything. That's my little case with my clothes in it. It's the best one. And then it's a bunch of cases, so I need to sort through all of these. So these ones, I've got all the guitars in. So I've got 3 of these. This one's slightly bigger because it's got 2 basses and 1 electric guitar. And then 3 guitars. Grey ones, I've got all of our stuff in, like the quad cortexes, the playback, the in-ears, stuff like that. The yellow one there's all the microphones. And then we have like this box of MISC bits and pedal boards. And then I'm just packing this box at the moment, which is going to be this rack in there, which is my Mac Mini. Don't know if you saw me building that on a previous video, but I put my Mac Mini in here, and then all the cables and everything's there, and the screen and everything to do the recording that I was doing the last tour, which used to be in that rack there. So I've pulled that out. I'm gonna fly it in this, in there, and then I can put some stuff on top of it as well. Try and distribute some of the weight. And then over there is front house Mons consoles, CDM32, DMO, and an IP8 for the drummer to control his in-ear mix. So yeah, I'm gonna pack all this stuff, get it in, and this is a shared suitcase. So each of us, 10 of us fly in, each of us has a little hand luggage case and a small bag for under the seat. And then we've all got a bit of stuff that we put in a shared case, so we're not spending so much on luggage. We just split, I think we've got 3 cases between 10 of us. So in this one will be me, the singer, and the guitar tech, and then a little bit of extra room in there just to squeeze some bits in. And then the other ones are somewhere else. We'll figure that out in a bit. And these are cool, just because all of our plugs are UK plugs. What we do is we rewire these to be a female kettle lead, and then 4 UK plugs. So when we get to the venue in whatever country, we can just ask for a IEC cable that fits in there, and then we can power 4 things with UK sockets from 1 local IEC. So yeah, let's pack this in there. Okay, Mac Mini's all packed in there, and I've kind of divided these up now. So these are MISC cases. So this is audio MISC with my front house rack, and then all of the monitor engineers' tools, all the in-ear packs, my little bag of tools and bits, all the band's in-ears. Then this is a spare IEM transmitter, which when we get to Australia, I'm going to swap with the wireless vocal that's racked up in there. So we get all the IEM transmitters in 1 unit, and then get the wireless vocal and put that in here, and just put that in every day separate. And then one of these power strips in here, and that's kind of audio MISC done. And then this is going to be guitars and drums MISC. So pedal boards, looms, power, and then the drum electronics as well, which are over here. So for drums, we have the IP8 controller, which is in there. Let's put it in this padded thing just to keep it a little bit safer. The case that it comes in is massive. It doesn't fit in any of the cases. So we'll just have to raw dog it in that. And then this is Sav's little pedal board. So he has this trigger which has a kick sample on for his in-ears, because he doesn't like the sound of the kick mic, which I use up front. So he has this trigger that's like really clicky and top-endy, and that goes through his in-ears so you can hear it properly. And that's the DI box out for this. And then this is his headphone amp. I got given this to try out by this company, and it's actually been amazing for him. Like he said, it sounds so much better than what he was listening to before. So we just do a mono in into the back, into there. Power's already in, and then he just plugs his headphones in here up to his seat, and then he's got all the control that he needs there. Boom, 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 volume. And he said just from instantly using it, it was like so much clearer, so much better than what he was using before, which was, if we come in here, we've been flying this around for fucking years. This thing. So you see quite a lot of drummers use these sort of like little mixers, and then you just go in here and then you can come out the headphones. But most of this is useless. Don't use off, or use literally the input, one channel strip, and then the headphone out. So most of that is pointless, just dead weight that we're flying around in space. So when I got sent that other little unit, it was way better. So we're using that for now. This will be the first proper fly show we've done with it. We'd use it for the last tour, and he really liked it. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna take this classic Behringer Power Play as a spare. So mono in, headphone out, and then if anything does happen to this, if it's not properly field tested, then we have this as a backup to be able to sort something out for the next show. Because worst case, if any of that breaks and he doesn't like the sound of it, we'll then just go buy one of those mixers wherever we are, because they don't cost that much, maybe like $100 or something. So worst case, we go buy another one, but these should do for now. And then this case is all the drum bits, so snare drum, kick pedals, sticks. So that's like actual drum stuff, and then the drum electronic stuff. Gonna try and squeeze in here with this. And then I need to figure out where to put all the guitar strings, because there's a box of them there. Probably in the guitar tech pellet. Yeah.
Security reasons, baggage left unattended.
Doing illegal stuff.
You can take this one again.
Any liquid inside? Joe Greaves. No.
Teniers.
Cigar.
Hey.